Have it. Give it to him.
Got it?
Gavin!
Come on, can you swim?
Swim. Stop the boat. Alright. Gavin, be so careful. Don't get close to it. Okay, Dad. Move.
Dad, just drive the boat. It let go of the towel. Okay, grab the towel, baby.
Be careful, be careful. Alright. The towel, get the towel, Gavin.
Where?
It's sinking. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Go slow.
Go so slow. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, he's good.
He's on the ladder.
He's good. I think he knows what we're trying to do.
Are you recording Gavin too? Gavin, don't let it get too close.
Sponge.
Gavin, don't trust it, okay?
Dad, go a little bit slower. If you can't, go a little bit slower. Yeah, if you... Oh, it's getting tired, I think. It's so tired.
Gavin, maybe try to flatten it out.
I'm trying.
Don't let it kill you.
Putting a lot of effort in. Oh, it's tired.
It's so tired.
Alright, ow.
Oh, Gavin, be careful.
It's okay.
Okay, can we stop?
Stop the boat for a
Dad,
second.
stop the boat. Dad, hold on. It's so tired.
I need. Ow.
Okay, move your arms, Gavin.
It's in my skin.
Okay. Has it let go?
Yeah, let go.
Let go of it, Gavin.
You just gotta grab
Brittany's gonna swim it over there.
You just gotta.
This osprey got stuck in the water. We're just trying to move it to land. Oh, he's so tired.
He's tuckered out. He's doing a lot of swimming.